a party mom move that will make you the party mom master. Here's the thing, hair scrunchies, they've made a strong comeback, right? Helping us with our hair game, but it turns out they are also a must-have supply for DIY balloon arches. So if you've got a spring fling of any kind planned, maybe a wedding or baby shower or a just for fun soiree, today we've got all the tips and tricks you need to know how to make a balloon display pop in the good way. In the good way. Studio 5 creative contributor Michelle Crowley is here to share all of the details. Hello, friend.
Hello.
So I have come to sort of despise the word hack. This is a confession. However, it applies today because balloon arches are hard and we need
They're not
hacks.
going to be anymore.
Okay.
That's the good news.
I almost just did the pop that I was talking
They're
about.
not going to, yeah, that's just part of the deal. You're going to have some pop
You have 4 tricks that you say allow any party mom out there, any woman out there to pull off something as amazing as this.
Yes.
This is gorgeous and
actually
huge.
So much easier than most people make it.
Really? We make it too hard?
You make it way too hard.
We make it way too hard.
Way too hard.
Michelle's taken us down, and I did also confess to Michelle before the show my confession / hatred of balloons. And she's like, "What is it? I said it's a lack of control. I feel like I just don't know."
Yeah, you don't have a lot of control.
There's no control here. Okay, why do you love balloons for decorating? Let's set the stage there.
Balloons make a big statement without a lot of expense.
Yeah.
Quite frankly.
Yeah.
You know, you can and you can really fill up a space pretty easily with balloons.
Yeah, it's true. They're a space filler, and they are that grab your attention.
Yeah, I mean,
impact.
I mean, behind photos. So like if you're at a shower and you've got the mom and she's opening the presents, and you know, all the
balloon
balloons.
arch.
Yeah.
Okay, hack number 1. You say little bundles are your friends.
Little bundles. Okay, so let me show you. This is the key.
Okay.
This is the key that makes it easier. You know those little strips that come in, sorry, we're gonna get loud here for a second.
Okay, go ahead.
But this is this.
I do have one of these.
Yes.
I did take that
so much
brave
better
step.
than those great big huge air compressors that are so loud and so heavy. But you know those little strips that come in the kits?
Yeah, the plastic with the holes.
Throw those away.
You don't need those?
Do not use
I thought those were the life-saving.
No, that's what makes so much harder.
Oh. All right.
Blow up your balloons. This is probably the trickiest part, is holding one balloon while you're blowing up the other, because I'm not tying the knot yet.
Total loss of control.
Now I'm going to, this is a control thing for me. Now I'm going to tie those together.
Okay. So a wrap and then a loop.
Wrap and then a loop.
Done.
Now that I've got those together, I've got more blown up here.
Okay.
Now you're just going to twist these together. So I'm going to give you a set. Do you want to touch? I know it's the control thing.
Do I want to?
We're not going to judge. So just twist them together.
Oh. Do you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, this is a problem with balloons.
Control issues in action.
You gotta let go of control.
And then just don't pop on me.
Just wrap them together. They actually, I blow them up and then I let the air out so they don't pop as easy.
I saw that you did that. Okay. Did I do it?
They won't pop as easy. Yeah, just like that. Maybe give them another twist.
Oh gosh.
So that they're together really good.
I thought they were.
Do
I tie?
No,
don't tie.
All you do
just twist again.
Just like that.
Okay.
That's it.
Do you get me? Do you get me? I twisted the wrong way.
This part actually takes a little bit of practice, but honestly, once you've done like one balloon arch, from there forevermore, it'll be easy. Okay,
double
got it. Now that I've got them like that, now I've got 4, right?
Okay,
so 2, now I have 4. String.
Do we care that they're uneven?
No, we like that they're uneven.
We like the
Because when they're uneven, they're going to snug up to each other better.
Okay.
If they're all the same size and they're all huge, you're going to get huge gaps. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So now I have a string. It's just that curly ribbon stuff.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah, right.
I tied a knot on the end of these, and these ones I all stacked on. I just do this. I push it in.
And
I do a figure 8, maybe twice. There I go.
So you really don't need that little plastic.
No, and how much faster was that?
Way faster.
Than trying to push the little ends through all the things.
Yes.
And the thing that's nice about this is now, because it's on this string, I can shape it and move it and adjust it and make it do all kinds of cool things instead of
have a little bit of control. A little bit of control.
You can actually get a lot more control.
Okay. This is turning into a therapy session.
But you know, balloons, therapy, party planning,
about my control issues. Yes, okay. And then where does the scrunchie come into play?
Okay, the scrunchie is fun. So I've got my little bundle of 4.
Yes.
You're gonna hold that one?
Yes.
Because my other one fell on the floor.
Okay, watch your string.
Okay. Clown balloons. I call them clown balloons.
Yeah.
You know the ones they make animals out of?
Right.
The long skinny ones?
The people that impress me beyond words.
Right. So what I've done, I've already done this just in sake of time. I've tied it on to this balloon. I've tied this clown balloon onto the end of my little scrunchie.
Like knotted it?
Knotted it. And I give it I double knot it so it stays really good. Now I'm going to take this other one, and I'm going to double knot it on the opposite end.
Okay, leaving a little gap in the middle.
So now I've got a gap.
Okay.
So all these little balloon clusters.
Yes.
All we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and we're going to wrap it around the balloon.
Oh, that gave you the leeway you needed to manipulate and twist.
So now, you know all the little glue dots, and you're trying to stick all the glue dots and get it in the right spot, and it takes forever, and guaranteed they're going to fall off as soon as your event starts.
Right,
you know,
right.
You're going to have balloons all over the floor, and it's not going to look good anymore.
Right.
This stays, and I can move it. I can put it over here. I can move it around. I can
it's that
decide.
scrunchy effect.
So actually, again, for our control therapy, now you have a lot of control about where you want those to go.
Yeah.
When you can see it.
Okay.
Last little trick.
Yes.
The big balloons, which are like kind of the big, like, that's what makes it over the top, right? The great big balloons. I just tie a rubber band.
You do these last?
Yes, I do them last. So what I do is I make my whole little arch. I put it on my, I use a metal rod with, what are they called? You know, umbrella stands.
Yeah.
Umbrella stands, metal rod, just drape it over.
Okay.
And actually, I don't even have to tie it on or anything. I can just twist a balloon around the pole, and it'll stay.
Okay.
So, and then I put all my little clusters in after.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes,
so that, because then I can see what it looks like.
Right.
So if I want to put them, I'll let you do this one. I'm going to put this on. You can just put it anywhere, like maybe right over in here.
Just
you
wrap
slip,
it?
Just slip that.
So just a rubber band around
rubber band tied into
lip.
the notch. So when I do the knot,
Michelle, look at you! And it does feel so much secure with those wrapped bits instead of the glue or the little dots.
The glue dots fall off.
Right.
I promise you, I can't tell you how many events I would do this huge, beautiful arch, and everything's falling off as soon as it starts.
Well, bless you.
And that's it. How easy is that?
Hacks, I'll say the word that I've committed not to say, but they really are. They're those shortcuts that make you feel like you can do it and allow DIY creations like this to grace all of your party events. Thank you so much, sister.
Yes.
I learned a lot today.
And now you might not hate balloons so much.
I mean, I wouldn't go that far, but almost.
If you ever need balloons, I'll come do it for you.
Thank you. Where can we get more advice from you, ideas from you?
MichellesDesignLife.com. And Instagram, same name, Michelle's Design Life.
She too can be your balloon therapist. We'll link you over for our website. That really was fun. Great job. Thank you.